Hello friends, today we are reviewing Dell Inspiron 3000 series, one of the more budget-friendly options on the market. This review will explore the design, performance, display, battery life, and overall user experience of the Dell Inspiron 3000. Is it the right laptop for you? Let's break it down. Let's talk about design and build quality. The Dell Inspiron 3000 sports a sleek, professional look with its matte finish. It feels solid but lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The materials are mainly plastic, which is standard for this price range, but they don't feel cheap. Now, the keyboard. It's comfortable with decent travel, making typing a breeze. The touchpad is responsive, but I did notice it can be a bit finicky at times. Moving on to performance, the Inspiron 3000 offers various processor options, including Intel Core i5 and i7. In real-world tasks, the i7 variant handles everyday activities smoothly, web browsing, streaming, and even photo editing. With configurations ranging from 4GB to 16GB of RAM and storage options from 128GB SSDs to 1TB HDDs, this laptop can cater to different needs. Next, let's talk about the display. You've got a 15.6-inch screen with a full HD resolution, which is great for productivity and media consumption. The viewing angles are respectable, so sharing your screen with someone isn't a hassle. Now, let's see how it holds up in the battery department. In testing, I found it lasts around 6 to 7 hours under typical usage, web browsing and video streaming, which is pretty close to what Dell claims. Plus, it supports quick charging, so if you're in a pinch, you can get a good amount of power back in just a short amount of time. On the connectivity front, the Inspiron 3000 doesn't disappoint. You get a good mix of USB-A, USB-C, an HDMI port, and an SD card reader. That should cover most of your peripheral needs. Wi-Fi performance is solid with 802.11 AC support, and Bluetooth connectivity is reliable too. Let's talk about user experience. The laptop comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, which is a plus. There are some pre-installed apps that might be unnecessary, but you can easily uninstall them. Dell offers a decent warranty and customer support, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. Now, let's discuss the price. The Dell Inspiron 3000 starts at around $400, depending on the configuration. Given its features and performance, it does offer good value, especially for students or casual users. So, is the Dell Inspiron 3000 the right laptop for you? If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option for everyday tasks, absolutely. Have you used the Inspiron 3000? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.